Welcome back to Planner Apocalypse, where the only thing longer than my planner wish list is this series of videos that I'm doing this week. This video is going to be me setting up next week's spread. As you can see, the numbers have been reused. I'm also, as you can see, heavy-handed, so there's been some bloody action on my papers. I can't say for sure whether this is going to be very decorative. If you manage to catch my monthly setup, it was very not stickerated, and I don't know how to feel about that. As you know, as a happy planner viewer, if anyone's watching this, that is, sorry to disappoint, I guess, but that it is what it is. So first things first, I'm going to get my sticker for the week that they made back here. All right, so this is, I don't know if that's gonna focus, but this is mood and energy and the astrological forecast for the week. No. Oh, that was terrifying. Almost completely ruined it. Okay. I can't handle the stress, okay? Please don't. Mercury retrograde Friday. Let's write that down. We also have visitation Friday, so I need to mark that. It's okay if you can't read it because I can, and that's 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃. As you can see, I am very messy. I'm a very messy planner. This is going to be... so this was the rolling task list here. It is these 3 boxes. This is my weekly review, and this is the task block method from the HB90 method from Sarra Cannon, or Heart Breathings, that's her channel. I'm seeing how it goes, and that's that. I might make a sticker for the review because it's quite messy, but I don't know. I don't know if I really care that much, as long as my stuff gets done. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So first we're going to shit. We're not gonna shit. But something just bent over there. This is just fun. Okay. So we're gonna put these date covers on that I just cut out with my Cricut. I'm not gonna bother whiting them out underneath because I don't really care that much. Shit. Oh, I don't care that much. Really? Really? Come on, come up. Haha. Okay. Cover all. Yes. It doesn't have to be on straight, it just has to cover the entire date. And I didn't mean to rhyme, but I did. Okay. So, that is that. Tasks. Dinners. I wrote that too big. And then we're gonna write tasks over here as well. And this is review. Then I put the line here, like so. And then I also put the line here. I'm sorry if you see my head. I'm just trying to see what I'm doing. Okay, then we do that. And then we go 1 over here. This. Right? And then we count. I could probably do, let's try 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Ah, shit, not again. I feel like I'm gonna have to really get used to doing this a certain way, or make stickers, which would be way faster, and then I don't have to draw this out, but then it would bulk up my planner, and I don't know if I want to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, one of the problems with, well, I say problems, quote unquote, with using this area for the task block method is that, oh, I'm leaking, is that there's not a lot of room for these task project thingies, because down here is supposed to be your available task blocks this week, which I need to consult my little thingy over here, and I actually was supposed to, well, I got that wrong, but that's fine. What's done is done. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. Project/task. This is estimated task blocks, and this is actual, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If anyone's wondering, these boxes are 11 by 21 boxes. And task blocks used. Task blocks are a Pomodoro, so it's 25 minutes with a 5-minute break. If you want to know more about it, you just go to 𝒮𝒃𝓃𝑔𝓈's YouTube channel. Just like look up 𝒮𝒃𝓃𝓃𝑔's task blocks or something. I don't know if she has a thing specifically about that, but I took the HB90 boot camp, and that's like a new thing she's doing, so it's pretty cool. I'm still not sure if it's going to be for me or not, but we'll find out. This is gonna be the total right here. Available task blocks this week. Okay, task blocks used for goal number 1. Recurring tasks. Total task blocks used this week. And I don't want to touch it and smear it again like I did before, so I will let it breathe for a hot minute. Dinners. We've got spaghetti and meatballs, teriyaki chicken stir fry, pad thai, calzones, leftovers, burgers and fries, breakfast for dinner. Okay, Monday. That is the day of the moon. We're going to get a little witchy with that right now. Tuesday is Mars. Wednesday is Mercury. This is Jupiter on Thursday. Friday is Venus. Saturn is Saturday, of course, and the sun is the Sunday. Let's say self-care, shadow work. This is GTD, baby. Decisive action. Important tasks. Mercury, intellectual activities. So let's do learning. I don't have any emails, so no one's communicating with me. Let's do some reading too. Jupiter represents philosophy and expansion. Luck, doing good for all. Friday, the day for love, including self-love, art and beauty, and do what lights you up. Loving discipline for old man Saturn over here. Like chores, anything you've been procrastinating on. Work, solitude, introspection. Plan week. Set intentions, gratitude. Okay, so let's get my stamp things back again. We have bills to pay. We've got, wow, I'm not even trying to sticker. I'm not even attempting, except for the one that I made here. Are you kidding? Should I try? Let's try.
Round 2. Fight!
Alright. This is going to be the day where I use stickers in my spread. And I got the big book out. Ooh, clean whole house. Do you see that? When do I have to do laundry? I gotta do some laundry. I should do that tomorrow, actually, because I don't think I have anything scheduled. And then we're gonna do mother up. Stay with me. Let loving start, let loving start. Hold me now. This is FaceTime with Sarah at 8:30. This is gonna be nope. There we go. D&D at 8:30, which I'm probably going to ruin because I have visitation, so I might have to phone in, or they might have to reschedule. And I hate making people reschedule for my fluctuating visitation schedule. It makes me feel really super guilty. What else is happening? What else is going on here? That's this week. I got those bills to pay. We're just stamping, okay? This is stupid. Okay. Got Great Lakes, student loans. We've got Love 365. And we have Pen Pineapple Apple Pen over here. Yo, Apple really missed out on an opportunity for getting 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃 to do like an Apple Pencil, Pen Pineapple Apple Pen like collaboration commercial. I don't know if that happened in Japan, but that would have been amazing. Man, this is difficult. We're gonna go hooray for today right here because I'm getting more Love 365 passes and that's fun. So then we're gonna go like this. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts, 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃. Got Callie with her physical therapy at 11:30. And we've got Callie with her preschool 11 through 12. Hopefully I can do some video editing in the car while I'm waiting. Alright, so these little therapy couch stickers are from Sparkle and Shine Designs on Etsy. I believe I have that here, but I need to move it, of course, unless I take my child into therapy with me. I have to reschedule, so that will be on the docket, if you will. I don't have any more of my cold 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃 heads, so I'll have to print some more. Let's do that right now. As far as writing that down, print and cut cold 𝒮𝓃𝓃𝓃𝓃s. Reschedule therapy. Let D know about visitation change. I don't typically use brown in here, so it's gonna look extra nasty, I think. These are from Shine Sticker Studio, in case anyone was wondering. Can I actually fit that there? Because there we go. Tasks right here. Sure. There we go. See, I can use stickers. I know how to use stickers. Maybe not very aesthetically, but they just simply adhere to the page. So let's do clean house. Give me this. Give it to me. Clean house. We're just gonna put that right there because it needs to happen many days. It's the weekend. Let's get this party started. I'm gonna use this weekend sticker. Oh gosh. No. Alright, let's... I can see why people use tweezers now. My tongue's sticking out. How about that? Is that good? That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, it says weekend. So I'm actually going to make this call for Monday. So in my Alastair method, or rolling task list or whatever, whenever I have specific due date that I want to do, instead of putting a dot there and then moving the dot, I just make a red box around the day that I would like it done by, because that works better for my brain. Now it is time to start migrating some tasks. Oh, it's family game night. Oh, I might have a sticker for that. Don't I? Isn't there a sticker for game night in here somewhere, maybe? Family time? Family? No? Ooh, I can use a pancake thing over here. Right there. Yeah, I don't care. It covered that, but that's fine. I'm gonna put bacon there. God help us all. Okay, so go pick up Kiki. All right, like I was saying, time to migrate some tasks. Oh, jeez. Now I remember. I swear I have undiagnosed ADD or something. Family game night at 8:30, maybe, question mark. Finish character sheets. I've been procrastinating on finishing these character sheets for a few months. Since last year. I have to drop off Amanda's planner because I'm a bad sister-in-law and I did not want to clean off my car this weekend, aside from the fact that I did not sleep very well. Declutter like a mother challenge actions. I would like to vacuum and clean the bathrooms. Then I need to also fix lunar calendars, and that is due Saturday. Set up budget planner. So that will be due tomorrow. And then, I don't know, I guess self-care. Is that red or purple? I don't even know anymore. I guess it would be red. Set up self-care planner. Try to do that tomorrow. It's basically just gonna be tracking a bunch of stats. Mark off what we've done, migrated here. Brain dump video ideas. Where's my gray pen? Alright, first we are going to do edit 2022 setup. Edit Memento Mori series. Edit January plan with me. Edit weekly plan with me. Man, I don't know how people do this. A lot of stuff. Brain dump video ideas. That's like a thing. Brain dump video ideas. 𝒮𝑝onichi daily edits. I think doing just the edits this week would probably be more realistic. So if I get them posted, that's great. If I don't, that's okay too. So record, give me this. Final meeting the Morrigan vlog and post update. Yeah, I don't have a lot of stickers. It's definitely eye-opening. What have I missed from this guy here? Oh, right. I wanted to do the Fresh Start workbook. It might not be the right time, or my brain might not work with it, but what projects am I working on this week? Where's my ruler? There it is. As far as HB90 is concerned, I want to green room declutter. I think that's probably a better ratio of things there. Estimated task blocks. What did I even write? Let's do an hour. Oh, that's for the week. Let's say 10. That's cleaning in general, but that's my main cleaning project. Let's actually add declutter like a mother actions 1 through 5, and that will be 5 task blocks. Lunar calendar fixes. Let's say that's gonna take 3 hours, so 6 task blocks. I am also just completely guessing. I smeared this again. God. Edit 2022 setup. Let's say that will take 2 hours, so 4 task blocks. Edit Memento Mori number 1. Let's say 4 for that as well. I don't even know how many Memento Mori things I have. How many days are in a week? 7. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna check what else needs to get done. My Phobo dailies edits. Let's say that will take 4 hours, so 8 task blocks. This is anyone came here looking for a beautiful spread, I sincerely apologize. Set up budget planner, 2 hours or so. I don't know. 4 task blocks. Vacuum. That should take 1, well, 2, because upstairs and downstairs. Clean bathrooms. Let's say another 2 task blocks. Oh crap! I haven't been doing any of my yoga things. 3, 4, 5. Let's just say 5 task blocks. Meditate 7. All right, so there it is. That's what it looks like. I'm standing now, and now I see that things are out of shot. But okay, yep, that's how it is. I guess I'm just a functional planner. Yep. All right, well, thanks for watching. Sorry this was so long. Bye. Thanks. Bye.